Are you searching for innovative ways to earn passive income in 2024? In a world where financial stability is paramount, passive income is becoming the secret weapon of the savvy. It's money that works for you, even while you sleep, offering a cushion of security and a path to wealth. From investing to creating digital products, the possibilities are endless. So let's pull back the curtain on the financial wizardry of passive income. Stick around as we dive into the 10 best passive income ideas this year has to offer. First on our list is investing in dividend stocks. Now, what exactly are dividend stocks? In simple terms, these are shares in a company that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders, that's you, on a regular basis. This can be a fantastic way to generate passive income, as once you've made your initial investment, you can sit back and watch as the dividends roll in. However, it's worth noting that not all dividend stocks are created equal. Some companies will offer higher dividend yields than others, and these can be particularly attractive to investors. But it's crucial to do your homework and choose the right stocks. Look at a company's history of dividend payments, its financial health, and its future prospects. Investing in dividend stocks can be a bit of a balancing act between risk and reward, but with careful research and a well-diversified portfolio, it can be a great way to build wealth over time. Dividend stocks, a classic yet effective passive income strategy when used wisely. Next up, we have peer-to-peer lending. This innovative form of lending is a fresh twist on the conventional banking model. It's a system where you can lend money directly to individuals or small businesses via online platforms. The best part? You're the one earning the interest, not a bank. Just imagine yourself as a mini bank, giving out loans and reaping the rewards. It's a fantastic source of passive income, with the potential for higher returns than traditional investments. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Before you dive headfirst into this venture, make sure you do your due diligence. Research the borrowers, understand their creditworthiness, and diversify your lending portfolio. This way, you can mitigate risks and ensure steady returns. So if you're looking for a modern, hands-on approach to earning passive income, peer-to-peer lending could be your ticket. It's all about lending smart and earning smart. Peer-to-peer lending, a modern twist on the traditional bank lending system. Moving on, let's discuss real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These are companies that own or finance income-producing real estate across a range of property sectors. You can think of them as mutual funds for real estate. They pool the resources of many investors to buy a portfolio of properties, which individual investors might not be able to afford on their own. Now, why are REITs a good passive income source? Well, by law, REITs are required to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders annually in the form of dividends. This means consistent and potentially high returns for you, the investor, without the headaches of being a landlord or dealing with property management. And the best part? You can buy and sell REITs just like stocks on major exchanges. So you get the benefits of real estate investment with the liquidity of a publicly traded stock. Real estate investment trusts, making real estate investing accessible for everyone. Fourth on our list is creating an online course. This idea is all about utilizing your knowledge and expertise to create a valuable resource for others. It's a process that involves identifying your area of expertise, developing an engaging curriculum, and then delivering it on a digital platform. The potential income from an online course can be substantial. It's a one-time effort that can generate income repeatedly, making it an excellent source for passive income. Remember, the key is to choose a profitable niche. If you have expertise in a high-demand area, you're already halfway there. Why does creating an online course make a good passive income source? Well, the internet is a vast place with an ever-hungry audience eager to learn. Your course can reach millions of people worldwide and can be sold over and over again with no additional work on your part. Creating an online course, a brilliant way to monetize your expertise. Next, we delve into the realm of affiliate marketing. Now, what exactly is affiliate marketing? It's a process where you promote products or services for a company, and in return, you get a commission for every sale made through your referral link. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its simplicity. You don't need to create a product, handle customer service, or worry about inventory. Your main task as an affiliate marketer is to connect potential customers to the products or services they need. It's like being a bridge connecting two sides. But remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is choosing the right products to promote. It's essential to pick products that align with your audience's interests and needs, and ones you truly believe in. This way, you're not just selling, you're providing value and building trust. And that's where the real passive income comes in. Affiliate marketing, a passive income strategy that leverages the power of the internet. Our sixth idea is renting out property on Airbnb. Airbnb is an online marketplace that connects people who want to rent out their properties with people who are looking for accommodations. This platform has made it easier than ever for property owners to generate passive income. Whether you have a spare room, a beachfront condo, or a city center apartment, you can list it on Airbnb and start earning. The potential income from renting out properties on Airbnb can be substantial. Depending on the location, the size, and the quality of your property, you could earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month. And the best part? Once you've set up your listing, the income is mostly passive. You'll need to maintain your property and manage bookings, but Airbnb takes care of the rest. Airbnb provides a platform that makes it easy for you to capitalize on what you already have, your property. Renting out property on Airbnb, turning your spare room or property into a money-making machine. Moving forward, we have starting a YouTube channel. In the world of digital media, YouTube stands as a prominent platform that can be leveraged for passive income. It's a space where your creativity and passion can translate into earnings. Starting a YouTube channel may seem daunting, but it's all about taking the first step. It begins with identifying your niche, understanding your target audience, and creating engaging content that resonates with them. As your subscriber base grows, so does your potential income. You can monetize your channel through ad revenue, sponsorships, and even merchandise sales. But remember, consistency is key. Regularly uploading high-quality content is crucial to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. A successful YouTube channel doesn't just provide a passive income, but it also gives you a platform to voice your thoughts, share your knowledge, and impact lives in a positive way. Starting a YouTube channel, a creative and potentially lucrative passive income stream. Eighth on our list is dropshipping. This is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. The seller doesn't handle the product directly. The beauty of dropshipping is that you don't have to invest heavily in inventory. You only purchase a product when you've already made the sale and have been paid by the customer. With dropshipping, you can start an e-commerce store without having to break the bank on inventory. However, like any business model, dropshipping comes with its own set of challenges. It requires a strong understanding of customer service, marketing, and e-commerce platforms. The success of your dropshipping business largely depends on your ability to find quality suppliers and profitable products. Dropshipping, a flexible e-commerce solution that can generate substantial passive income. Next, we have writing an ebook. This is a fantastic avenue to channel your expertise or passion into a potential income stream. Imagine this: you pen down your thoughts, your ideas, your knowledge once, and it continues to generate revenue for you over and over again. The process of writing an ebook starts with identifying a topic. Choose a subject that is both profitable and one you're passionate about. Research the market, understand what readers are looking for, and fill that gap with your unique perspective. Once written, the next step is publishing. Today, platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make this step a breeze. You set your price, retain control over your book's rights, and get access to a global audience. The potential income? It varies. Some authors make a few $100s, others make thousands. It all depends on the demand for your topic and your marketing strategy. Writing an ebook, a wonderful way to share your knowledge and earn passive income. Last but not least, our 10th idea is building a mobile app. In the digital age, building a mobile app can be a lucrative venture. Whether it's a game, a productivity tool, or a unique service, mobile apps have the potential to reach millions of users worldwide. The first step in this process is identifying a market need. It's crucial to create something that people will find valuable and want to use regularly. Once you've identified your concept, you'll need to develop your app. This might involve hiring a developer or learning to code yourself. Don't be discouraged if you're not tech-savvy. There are many resources available to help you learn or outsource this task. Once your app is live, you can generate income through in-app purchases, advertising, or even subscriptions. Remember, the success of your app will largely depend on its quality and relevance to your target audience. So, invest time in research and development, building a mobile app, a tech-savvy path to passive income. And there you have it, 10 brilliant passive income ideas for 2024. We've journeyed from dividend stocks to peer-to-peer lending, explored the realm of REITs, delved into online courses, affiliate marketing, Airbnb rentals, and YouTube channels. We've navigated the waters of dropshipping, penned an eBook, and even built a mobile app. Now, it's your turn to take action. Choose the idea that resonates with you the most and start your journey towards earning passive income. Remember, the best time to start is now. Thank you for watching.